In this video, we are going to learn how you can create a website using AI in WordPress.com. So to get started, head over to WordPress.com. We're here in the WordPress.com website, and to build a website using the AI, we can just hover our mouse over the products and then click on AI Website Builder. Now this will lead us to this page. Here you can describe your website and your website will be created in seconds. So before we get started, we actually have to create a WordPress.com account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. So we have an account and we're going to log in. All right, after we've logged in, what we have to do is first describe our site. In order for this to work perfectly or more accurately, you have to be as descriptive as possible. Let's see an example. Okay, so we added a description over here. Let's read. We run a web development agency. The name of our agency is Finks Digital. Now, this is just for demonstration purpose, and we actually don't have any company or agency by this name. We provide all web-related services such as web development, WordPress web development, web design, digital marketing, content creation, etc. We have 5+ years of experience and have successfully completed over 500 projects worldwide. Now I want a website which describes our business and a call to action button which the user can click and get in contact with us. The website should also have an about us and a contact section. Now if you're okay with this, you can just simply click on this button and it's going to initiate a prompt. And now we're going to have to wait for it. And now it launched a chat. You can see we can type over here. Now it's showing us our description, and it's also asking us, can you provide a physical location of your agency so it can be included in your website details? If your agency operates mainly online, let me know as well. So we're going to write, yes, it operates mainly online. Now we're going to click on this button. Alright, now it's giving us an overview. So this is the name of our agency and this is the description. If you want to make any updates, you can click on this No Update Details button or just simply click over here and update it. Okay, so once you're done, you can simply click on Yes, Create My Site and wait for the site to create. And you can see the process of creation. It's actually creating the website. It's adding the images, text, buttons, and various sections to our website. Alright, so our website has been created. Now it's saying pick your layout, color palette, and font pairing in 3 quick steps. Edit details after in the editor. So we will be able to edit these details later on. Now, if we take a look at it, you can see that it designed a very nice website for us. Now we can see a map over here. The AI added this as a standard practice, and if you want, you can add your business location from here. But in case you don't want this, we can simply remove it. So it included a welcome section, it describes our business, and here is a button called Our Services, and in the next section it's the About section, the Services section, and here's the Testimonial section, and finally the map. So let's go ahead and pick our layout and color palette. So I'm going to click on Continue, and from here you can see that it's giving us a bunch of layouts. So this is the layout that we currently have. We can also choose this one, but I think the first one was better. So let's click on Continue, and we can also choose a color palette. And we can also ask AI for new color palettes, but we're going to continue. And then we can also pick our font. And like before, we can ask the AI to combine more font pairings. So we're going to click on Continue button, and this is our website. You can see that it also created a logo for us over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit some of these things as it gives us the chance to edit. So we're going to remove this map section. So we're simply going to delete it. And we're going to write Contact Us. All right, So it's removed, and we can see that the AI will help us creating or editing our web page. One important thing is that our free trial comes with 30 requests to the AI assistant. So you get 30 requests, and after that it's going to expire. If you need more requests, you have to get a hosting plan from WordPress.com. Let's see if we can add a contact form over here. So anywhere you click, it's going to show you what you can do with the AI. For example, if I select this block, you can add a pattern. If I select this block, we can choose what we want to do, add a page, change colors, etc. So let's go ahead and add a form. Great, we added the form over here, and to add this form, we actually didn't need the help of the AI because it was really easy to do. And if you know how to work with WordPress, it's actually easy. What you simply do is go over here and add a block and simply click on Browse and then find Form. So when you have this form over here, you can add it and choose what type of form you want and it will be added. So that was just easy to do. Now let's see if we can use the AI to add more words to this text. And you can see it added more words to it. So that is how we can add more words, or we can change the image. So let's see if we can generate an image. So it needs a description, so let's provide a description. Some professional web developers and designers working together, and now it's generating an image. So it used AI to create this image. So in this way, we will be able to customize all these places, and if you want, you can actually manually design all of this. The AI helps us initially with almost everything, but it does need a description in order for it to work more accurately. So in this way, you can create your website, and when you're done, you can actually launch your site. And for that, you have to get a domain. So if we click on continue, you can choose your domain and launch your site. Now, in order to launch your site, you also need a hosting plan, and WordPress.com has a lot of hosting plans. You can get a WordPress plan from the link in this video's description. You can choose your payment style. You can pay monthly, you can pay yearly, you can pay every 2 years, or you can pay every 3 years. Now, if you pay every 3 years, this gives you up to 69% off. So the higher tier you choose, the more discount you get. Now, let's actually choose the yearly plan. And here we can see there are several tiers. The first one is the personal. It's available for $4 per month, but billed $48 annually, excluding taxes. Now, this gives you 6 GB storage, unlimited pages, posts, users, and visitors, free domain for 1 year, ad-free browsing experience for your visitors, dozens of premium themes, support from the WordPress.com expert team, and stats. So this is the personal plan. If you want to get the premium plan, this is their popular plan, and you can see it says build a unique website with powerful design tools. This is billed $8 per month. Annually, you will be billed $96, excluding taxes. This gives you 13 GB storage, and you get all of the features from the personal plan, plus you get some more. The premium stats, customized fonts and colors site-wide, connects to Google Analytics, and you can also upload videos. Now there's the business plan. This is available for $25 per month, billed $300 annually, excluding taxes. You can also choose how much storage you want. The 50 GB is included in the plan, but if you want more, say 50 GB more, you'll be charged $50 per month. Okay, so you can choose your storage from here. Then you get all of these features from the popular plan, plus you get more extra features such as install plugins, SFTP, SSH, WP-CLI, Git commands, and GitHub deployments. And there's the commerce plan. You can see the logo of WooCommerce is over here. So if you want to create an e-commerce website, you need extra features. Now this plan is available for $45 per month, billed $540 annually, excluding taxes. With it, you get extra e-commerce tools and optimized WooCommerce hosting. And finally, there's the enterprise plan. This is the best plan offered from WordPress.com, and it starts from $25,000 per year. Now, big organizations such as Slack, Samsung, USA Today, Vox Media, Meta, Time, all of these use the enterprise plan. So you can pick the plan which is suitable for you. So that is how you can create a website using the AI in WordPress.com. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. Thank you for watching. See you next time.